Hi, my name is Dana Engel. Welcome to my research proposal presentation on Stockton CView Reference Website, a resource for Stockton University employees. The historic Seaview Hotel and Golf Club was purchased by Stockton University in 2010. Seaview, managed by Dolce Hotels and Troon Golf, is utilized by Stockton for academic, business, and personal leisure. Since the university owns Seaview, Stockton employees are offered many benefits for use of the property. These benefits include % discounts on hotel rooms, dining, and golf for personal use, as well as special rates and a unique internal billing procedure for university-related conferences and travel. The problem, it seems, is that many employees are not fully aware of these benefits and that the policies for utilizing Seaview, nor is there a place to find the information. Since Stockton needs to communicate accommodation needs to Seaview on a frequent basis, it's important that everyone is on the same page and that communication is consistent, that all inquiries contain the proper information so that the process is completed efficiently and the Stockton employees feel they are able to utilize the property for their needs. Due to my job as a liaison between Stockton and Seaview, I wanted to come up with a solution for this. I believe that Stockton should have one location where Seaview information can be viewed, a specific website with information that is tailored to university needs and usage of Seaview. The Stockton employees should know where to look up any type of Seaview-related inquiry and find how-to instructions as well as general information on Seaview amenity offerings. Implementing this site will provide a double benefit, educating the Stockton community, which will in turn allow Seaview to better serve their needs and meet the expectations. Needs analysis. I performed a needs analysis to assess the communication regarding the rates and policies for Seaview and to determine if there was a need for more information and how that information should be presented for the Stockton employees. I used assessment tools that were twofold to determine the need by Stockton and the Seaview audiences. I conducted a survey that was sent out to all Stockton employees. The results indicated that most employees have never booked or have booked infrequently at Seaview and are not familiar with the process and want to know more about it but don't know where to go. The majority of employees also feel comfortable with technology and appreciate visuals on websites to assist with learning. I also conducted interviews with Seaview staff responsible for handling these reservations. I learned that the inquiries that are submitted by Stockton are often incomplete, missing vital information, and that in general most employees are unaware of their discounts and benefits, and the Seaview staff usually has to explain it at the time of booking or point of service. Both assessments determine there is indeed a need, and that the way the information is presented will be essential to encourage learning. Goal and objectives. The goal of my capstone is to provide university employees one place to go on Stockton's website to view Seaview information as it pertains to them. With the implementation of the Seaview reference site, employees will be able to go to one location to view Seaview information, learn general property information, find a facts section on common procedures, fill out inquiry forms, find instructions for receiving discounts, find special promotions on dining events, and locate the contact information for Seaview. Literature review. As I'm proposing a reference website, the focus of my research is how to visually design and format content so that it is organized, promotes viewer interest, and is easy to navigate. The three areas of my literature review pertain to visual information, design, and navigation of websites. Visual information. 65% of the population are visual learners, and people process visuals more efficiently than text. People retain information best via meaningful and memorable images containing the most significant information, and those images are stored in our long-term memory. The current Stockton Rates and Policies document is black and white and heavy with text, and there's nothing interesting or memorable about it. The research lens that the current way the information is presented is likely not the most successful way. Design. There are 6 major design principles: proximity, similarity, common fate, continuity, closure, and figure and ground. As designers, we can apply these principles and group information together so the viewer has an easier time recognizing and interpreting the material. When I design my reference website, I will be grouping items based on topics, so I will have to be mindful of proximity and similarity. For example, I will have all types of inquiry forms located in one category called inquiry forms. I will also apply common fate and continuity as there are various information topics pertaining to Seaview and I want the site to flow. And finally, navigation. Navigation is how a person follows a sequence to find information on a website. It should provide a logical and organized way so the viewer does not get lost. I found that I will likely implement a subject-oriented hierarchic navigation structure, one that arranges a website's objects in terms of subject matter, as my site will be designed to educate an audience based on topic. Project procedure. The site will be accessible by all Stockton employees and be a source of information relating anything CView: general property information, employee benefits, discounts, and procedural information. By having the site, employees will benefit both professionally and personally and be able to have a site that is engaging with both text and visuals. Images will be efficient and meaningful and memorable, and grouping and categorizing items to assist the viewer to find the information they seek. My next step will be to start constructing the website. I plan to use Weebly, a high-quality website builder. This website will be presented in the capstone portion of this project. Evaluation plan. Following my draft of the Weebly website, I will need to evaluate whether the project successfully met the goals and objectives, that the website effectively and efficiently provided a resource to Stockton employees seeking information on CView. I'm going to use two evaluation tools: observation and survey. For my observation, I will sit one-on-one with employees to see how easily and at what speed they're able to navigate through the site based on a checklist of tasks. I will also ask the employee for some general feedback of their impression of the site and record their findings. For my survey, I will provide a small sample of employees with access to the site to allow for review and feedback. The first section of the survey will be task-oriented, and the employee will respond if they were successful in locating each area of the site. The second section will be to provide feedback on the design of the site, the employees specifying their level of agreement on a Likert scale of statements pertaining to the site design itself. Both evaluation tools will assist me in determining if I was successful in effectively designing an information website and see if and what areas may need improvement. Desired result. My ultimate goal is that the employees have a reliable resource on CView information and will feel comfortable utilizing the site as a reference in times of need. Well, this concludes the overview of my research proposal presentation. Please feel free to contact me at the email address provided with any questions. Thanks so much for watching.